Aston, Aston, eating ice cream. Telling lies. Open your mouth. Oopsie. Aston, Aston, eating noodles. Aston, telling lies. Open your mouth. Ah. Well, no, this is Dad's noodles. I made it for
We're gonna make some noodles, but we're gonna make it in soup. Yeah. Daddy, come help me.
Oh, okay.
Open it.
Alright, I think we can do this. Oh, funky colour noodles. Here we go.
Last one. Wow! Noodle.
Oh, thanks! Oh! Oh! Oh, but I don't think it's enough. I think we need more. Let's go. Oh, look. Oh, wow.
Let's make some rainbow noodles.
Yeah! All right. Red hot. Aston.
Let's.
Wow! Oh, look! Oh, wow! Have you ever seen pasta like that? Bye! Thanks for watching!